To reassemble a 1911 A1, grab the slide, put the barrel back in. This is the end for the spring. Put the spring in. Now you want to make sure that this little loop is forward. This goes pressed against there. Put the slide back on the hammer. Then you want to line up your notch. Sometimes the little loop comes over the hole, so you need a little tool to push that in. Then you just slide this right in. Oops. Like that. Make sure it's flush. Get it flush. That's flush. Springs in. Put the barrel bushing back on. Turn it counterclockwise. And then push the spring in. And the bushing barrel back across. And it's locked in. And that's how you assemble and disassemble the 1911 A1.